Are you an enthusiastic, passionate data analyst, business analyst, or Power BI developer learning Power BI? Stop practicing with boring sample data. Start building real dashboards like the Euro Intelligence Dashboard. Property analytics across 10 European markets, rental versus sales breakdown, pricing trend, property composition, and a fully interactive matrix with country level filtering. It's a 3-page report. Next, the National Health Care Report, patient demographics, hospital performance, and treatment analysis across 10 major hospitals. There are different filter options by age group, medical condition, and by blood group. 3-page dashboard covering the demographics, the key trends, and treatment cost. Every KPI is tracked year over year, so you can spot changes instantly. That is the National Health Intelligence Report. Next is the Supply Chain Analytics Report. The Supply Chain Analytics Report looks at the different KPIs in supply chain, lead time, quality control, cost analysis, compares suppliers across products, locations, and defect rates. 4 pages covering supply, manufacturing, inventory and logistics, and sales. There are different filter options by product type to see which supplier gives the best price, fastest delivery, and lowest defect rates. That is the supply chain analytics report. Next is the sales and pharmacy analytics report. Revenue tracking across 120 pharmacies in 8 countries, health scoring, profit margins, and month over month performance comparison. 4 pages covering overview, health targets, product mix, and pharmacy details. Every metric benchmark against the previous period. That is the pharmacy analytics report. And finally, the IT support and SLA compliance report. Ticket tracking across 4 departments and 10 countries. See which team are meeting their SLA targets and which are falling short. A custom calendar heat map shows daily compliance at a glance. Filter options by department, month, and ticket type. Agent performance across the different departments, CX department, HRO department, IT support department, and finally the sales department. 2 dashboard pages covering SLA compliance and agent performance. This is the IT support and SLA compliance report. 5 projects, 5 industries, all templates, datasets, and DAX included. Each template is $25 individually. That's $125 for all 5. Today, get the complete bundle for just $65. You save $60. The link and the details on how to get your bundle today is on the video description. Happy learning.